Vibrant focuses on providing clean compressed air system solutions, adhering to the concepts of innovation, energy conservation, and using professional technology to meet customers' diverse needs for compressed air. The Vibrant two-stage compressor PMVSD screw machine has significant advantages: stable air pressure, smooth start, up, variable flow control, strong voltage adaptability, low noise, low vibration, and low energy consumption. The equipment has excellent components, including cyclone air filters, high-precision intake control valves, high-efficiency energy-saving two-stage compressor air end, energy-saving permanent magnet motors, gas, liquid separators, high-efficiency oil filter, coolers, centrifugal cooling fans, intelligent control systems. Its screw air compressor replaces single-stage compressor with two-stage compressor, achieving energy savings of 15% to 30%. The low compressor ratio reduces internal leakage and extends the service life of the air end. The rotor, processed through 20 precision processes, is accurate and stable. Imported SKF bearings ensure efficient operation, and oil mist spray cooling improves volumetric efficiency. The large capacity gas liquid separator performs three-stage oil-gas separation to ensure high-quality compressed air. The unique transmission oil supply system ensures the safety and stability of transmission components. The centrifugal cooling fan consumes less energy, has better temperature control, and the enhanced base with active shock absorption is more stable and quiet. A waste heat recovery device can be optionally installed to improve energy efficiency. It adopts the latest PLC intelligent control system and a color touch screen, and a wireless intelligent module can be installed to monitor operation data in real time. Vibrant continuously pays attention to the market, develops special equipment for various industries, comprehensively meets users' diverse needs, and is always by your side.